Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a granite wheel pattern, and this is again a small motif for your patchwork and other variety of projects. So let's go into the video without much delay friends. Chain 7, slip stitch and form a ring, slip stitch to the first chain and form a ring. Now in this ring you have to place 12 single crochets. To begin that, chain 1, this does not count, so make a first single crochet and put a stitch marker to that single crochet so that when you come back you don't have any confusion over the slip stitch, chain 1 and the single crochet. So 1, 2, 3 and go on up to 12 single crochets. We've come to the end of the round here. We need to slip stitch to the very first single crochet, so remove this and let me remove my hook from the loop, insert from the back and slip stitch the other way. Now insert the hook from this loop and pick up the working yarn through that. So now it's easier to place our double crochets on the stitches. I still have 12 singles here. So pull up the loop. If you are going to chain 3 as the first double crochet, you can do the normal slip stitch. Because I am going to place my double crochet here as the first stitch, I have done the slip stitch from the reverse side. So pull up the yarn to the height of a double crochet, twist, insert in the same stitch, pick up yarn. The first double crochet is done here, and let me place my stitch marker on the stitch. This is the V. This will go and hide behind when we come back. Okay, done. Now after placing the stitch marker here, make a double crochet in the next single crochet, next stitch, then chain 3, 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 single crochets, chain 3, 1 double crochet in each of next two single crochets, and continue in this manner. So you will have pairs of 6 double crochets separated by 3 chains. I shall complete and get back. We've come to the end of the round here. Now I need to bring back my stitch to the corner, so chain 1 and make a double here in the stitch. I'm making it on top of my BC that I placed. If you've done chains, you should place it in the third chain. Now in this space you have to make a puff stitch, 1, 2 and 3. Pull through all the loops except the last one and pull through 2 now. Now chain 4, another puff in the same space, chain 4, skip the 2 DCs, puff, chain 4, puff. continue this pattern all around. I shall complete and get back. So this is how we need to do. So we'll have 6 sets of pairs of puff stitches in chain 3 spaces. So complete it. When completed up to this, I shall get back when I complete at this particular point. We've come to the end of the round here. I've chained 4, slip stitch to the first puff stitch, and now in every chain 4 space we are going to make 2 single crochet, chain 3, 2 single crochet. So you need not even slip stitch here, directly go about making a single crochet. One, 2 single crochet, chain 3, 2 single crochets. So these are the stitch repeats. So place the stitch repeats in each of the chain 4 spaces and get back. Make your last repeat here. I shall meet you at this particular point. I've placed my last stitch here. Now it's time to slip stitch and fasten off. So I shall slip stitch and fasten off, and we have come to the end of our granite wheel pattern. So this again is a great pattern for our projects. We can use this as appliques too, and it can be used in variety of ways. Okay, so if you are a first time viewer for our channel, please do subscribe our channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get notifications as and when we upload our new videos. We upload every day. Further, do like and share our videos too. Thank you once again. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.